In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iTunes error Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Runtime-L1-1-0 missing. If you've encountered this error, you're in the right place because we're going to walk through the fix step by step in just a few minutes. Let's dive into it. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the official Microsoft website. This is important because we'll be downloading an essential package directly from there to ensure it's legitimate and safe. Once you're on the Microsoft website, the next thing is to download the Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio versions 2015, 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2. This package includes all the runtime components of Visual C++ libraries and is crucial for resolving the missing DLL error. When you land on the download page, you'll be presented with options for different system types. Here's where you need to pay attention. You'll need to select the correct file that matches your system's specifications. If you're running a 64-bit version of Windows, go ahead and download the vredist.exe file. On the other hand, if your system operates on a 32-bit version, then you'll need the vcredist.exe file. It's really important to download the correct version to ensure compatibility and to avoid further errors. Once you've successfully downloaded the appropriate file for your system, find the installer in your download folder and run it. When the installer window opens, you'll see an option to accept the terms and conditions. Make sure to carefully read through that, and if everything looks good, accept the terms and click on the Install button. This will begin the installation process. The installation might take a few minutes, so just be patient and let it finish. After the installation is complete, it'll prompt you to restart your computer. This step is crucial as it allows all the recent changes and installations to take effect. So go ahead and restart your system. Once your PC is rebooted, check iTunes again to see if the error persists. Most likely, it should be resolved by now. And there you have it. You have now successfully fixed the iTunes error related to the Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Runtime-L1-1-0 file. This process should help you regain full functionality with your iTunes software without any glitches. If for some reason the error continues, double-check each step to ensure everything was installed correctly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting videos.